Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel Explore Edu to Teach.
So today we'll be learning another important concept in signal and systems, that is the equations of signal graph. So basically in this particular video we'll be learning how to write equations from a given signal graph. So this graph will be given to you and how are you going to derive the equations from it. So this is for a step function and this is for a ramp function. So we'll be learning two examples, solving these two problems and trying to understand the same. There was a request from one of you all that a video needs to be made on this. So I'm preparing this video. So why is this important? Because in the university exams as well as in the other cases also, this is one of the most important concepts, that a graph is obtained and from that you need to write down the mathematical equation for the same. So let us try to understand how do we do it. So this is the first question. So the question says write the equation of the below signal graph. So this is the graph which is given to you and we'll see how do you solve this particular question. So if you look at this particular graph, you will be able to see that the entire graph has only step function, right? From -3 there is a step going up, from 1 there is a step going up, at 2 there is a down, again at 4 there is up. So basically this is a basic signal graph through which we are going to derive the mathematical equation. Now if you look at this particular graph, we have something at -3, 1, 2, 4. The values are changing. Also it's a step function, so we are going to have the terms as u of t. So at -3 you're going to have u of t plus 3. At 1 you're going to have u of t minus 1. At 2 you're going to have u of t minus 2. At 4 you're going to have u of t minus 4. So in the negative scale you're going to have plus 3. In the positive scale you're going to have minus 1, minus 2 and minus 4. Because these are the points at which the change is taking place. So basically at u of t plus 3 you will see that there is a positive increase in value, plus 2. At u of t minus 1 there is a positive increase in value, that is 5 minus 2 is plus 3. At u of t minus 2 you will find that from plus 5 to minus 2 it is 5 minus of minus 2, that is 7. However it is in the negative direction, right? It was plus 5, then it is coming to minus 2. Hence you can consider it as negative, that is minus 7. And at 4 again there is an upward rise, but it is from minus 2 to 0. So it is 0 of minus 2 is plus 2. So I hope I am very clear to you. What happens is that a signal graph is given to you. So when this graph is given to you, first try to understand whether it's a step function, whether it's a ramp function or whether it's a combination of both of them. Since it's a step function, it is u of t. So what is going to happen is that we are going to have u of t plus 3, we are going to have u of t minus 1, we are going to have u of t minus 2 and u of t minus 4. These are the points at which the change in the amplitude is taking place. Now from at minus 3 there is a plus 2 change. At u of t minus 1 it goes from 2 to 5, that is there is a plus 3 change. At u of t minus 2 it goes from 5 to minus 2, that is 5 minus of minus 2 is 7 and it is in the negative direction, that is minus of 7. Also at plus 4 it is basically from minus 2 to 0, hence it is plus 2. It is in the positive up direction. Hence you get this particular equation. So I hope I am clear with this. Let us try to take a next example wherein we will be dealing with a ramp signal. So again the question says write the equation of below signal flow graph. So basically this is not a signal flow graph. Signal flow graph basically comes into control system. So you can just consider this as signal graph. So what happens is that we have, again you have to find out the points at which the slope is changing. In case of step function you have the amplitude which was changing. Here you have the slope which is changing. So at minus 4 you have the slope changing, and at plus 4 again you have a change in the slope. So you will have, as it is a ramp signal, we are going to have r of t plus 4 for this t is equal to minus 4, and r of t minus 4 for this t is equal to 4. Okay, so to find out the m and n value, what is going to be the coefficient of this particular ramp signal? So if you look at this particular thing, at t is equal to minus 4, you have to find out the slope of the equation with minus 4 and 0 and 4 and 16. So if you just try to find out the slope of minus 4 and 0 and 4 and 16, the slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 will give you 2. So basically what does it indicate? That the slope of this particular linear line is going to be 2. So the slope is equal to 2, which is equal to previous plus the present. So the slope is given as 2. So if you see over here, the slope is given as 2. Previous, the 0 stands for previous. So the previous slope is 0. There is no change in slope here. Plus the present. So present is equal to 2. Therefore you have 2 into r of t plus 4. I hope I am very clear with this. Similarly, if I consider that t is equal to 4, the present slope is 0. The previous slope is 2. So if you see, the present slope is 0. The earlier slope is 2 plus the present. So the present slope, no, the given slope which you can see over here at r of t minus 4 is given as 0. So it is 0 is equal to the previous slope plus 2 plus what is the present slope contributing, is given as minus 2. Hence here minus 2 r of t minus 4. Therefore the equation becomes 2 into r of t plus 4 minus 2 into r of t minus 4. So I hope I am very clear. So I have made you understand how to write down the particular equation from a step function signal graph and from a ramp function signal graph. So if you understood this particular video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram as well. The links are given down. On Instagram there are regular updates of all the formula sheets regarding the topics that I have been uploading on my YouTube channel. So those sheets might be helpful for you in your preparation. There are short videos also which we uploaded based on the video lecture on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram page as well. So please do follow me on Instagram as well. My channel is Explore Edu to Teach. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much.